Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Sigma 17 to 50mm f2.8 OS lens. Recently I had this lens which had dust inside. I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As we zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly, I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a metal tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens, I will use an air pump, a brush, microfiber cloth, and lens cleaning fluid. For checking the lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative, and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. Barely can be seen, but there is some dust behind the front lens element. The front cover is adhered very much to the lens. Use a metal tweezers to carefully lift up the front cover a little bit to give space to the plastic spudger, and then use a plastic spudger to remove it completely. Be careful using the metal tweezers because it can scratch the lens. Remove the front cover ring. Remove the screws from the front of the lens. The screws are different in size, so it is important to put them back in the place where they came from. When I remove the screws, I place them next to each other so I know where they came from. Remove the filter holder ring. Mark the front lens element. I put a mark on the side of the lens element aligned with the front of the lens. Use a suction cup to remove the front lens element. Remove the gasket. Zoom to 50 mm and clean the inside of the lens with a brush and air pump. Check the surface of the lens if it is perfectly clean. The lens is still dirty, so I use lens cleaning fluid, microfiber cloth and air pump to clean it. Check the lens with a flashlight. If the lens is perfectly clean, then store the lens downwards and continue with cleaning the inner side of the front lens element. Use a brush to clean the side of the lens element. Continue the cleaning of the side of the lens with an air pump. Tiszelt 28. Clean the inner side of the front lens element with the lens cleaning fluid. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and air pump. Check the surface with a flashlight. Let's start to assemble the lens. Put back the gasket. Clean the inside of the lens with an air pump. Put back the front lens element. Make sure that the marks are aligned. Clean the front lens element with a cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Clean the filter holder ring with a brush. Put back the filter holder ring. Make sure that the white dot on it is aligned with the front of the lens. Put back the screws. Put back the front cover ring. Clean the front lens again, and then we are done with cleaning the lens. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.